Just say, try your very hardest and just be like the good leader and lead that you are. Yeah.
I need to prove that. I can dance with the little girls, I can dance with the big girls, and I can dance with everybody here. I'm gonna prove to her that I deserve to be on this team. I mean, she's nuts, but Abby's gonna get me to where I need to be.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the stage entry number 19, Bird's Whisper.
I thought they looked good.
They were good. A little spacing, but it was very pretty.
These are really cute. Good job, little ones. Maesi, being present as a leader, she pulled that trio together. I just hope it's good enough for Abby to keep her another week.